everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty hot here in BC. It's getting close to 30 Celsius. So that's about 90-ish degrees. So it's getting pretty hot. Nice clear day though, so that's pretty cool. All right, so I thought I would share my Zelda journey. All right, so I got the new OLED Zelda Switch. It came in this package, which is pretty cool. This on the back. I was waiting for my game to come so I could start playing. So what do you guys think of the new Zelda game? Do you like it? Is it all that it's hyped up to be? I pre-ordered my game, it was a couple of months ago, and I talked to the Best Buy guy because we were looking for a new TV, and he said they had 90 of them and they all sold out, so I'm glad I pre-ordered. Did you guys pre-order your Zelda game? Let me know. And it's a pretty easy way of getting games that sell out like within a half an hour. So definitely pre-order if you can. Then you know you're going to get the game. All right, so this is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Like that. That's where the Switch and everything and the Joy-Cons were. I'll show you that in a minute. Then you get another cable and you get an adapter. This is HDMI cable you get, which is nice. And what else do you get? You get some, let's see here. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, I guess these are to take your Switch with you. So you have a couple of those. They come in the box. And let's see what this is. I think this is a case. So let's take a look here. All right, this is your controller that you put your Joy-Cons on. It's just the standard one for the TV. I don't know, do you guys use these? I use these quite often, but not all the time. I'm gonna put those back, and then let's see what this is here. Yeah, everything's wrapped up in bubble wrap, so. All right, this is the charger. This isn't a case. So that's what that looks like. And then it's just your standard, put your adapter in the back, and away you go, basically. It's got a couple of slots here. And then it's got some Zelda stuff there. All right, so that's what you get in the box. And that's the new OLED style. Is it worth the money? I like the design, and the display is a lot brighter. But the money is basically the same as a regular Switch, so that's good because this is a limited edition, and normally limited edition is more money. So that's a positive. But if my other Switch wasn't so old, I probably wouldn't have got this. But because I've had my Switch ever since it came out, then it's kind of, it's starting, the buttons are starting to go and that kind of thing. So they do last for a long time. So you do get your money's worth out of them. All right, so how long have you guys been gaming? I've been gaming since '85. I started with Pong in the pubs. If anybody knows what that is. Probably not. And then I went to Atari. And then I went from there, basically. All right. So that's how that goes. So you definitely want to save your box in case you want to resell it. It's always good to have the box. So that's pretty cool. And then when I was at Best Buy, I was able to get a case and screen protector. I always highly recommend getting at least that. I wouldn't think that you really need the game controller, but it's up to you. All right, and then I'm just using my Louis bag, my gift bag, but it's ripped at the bottom, so I can't really resell it or reuse it. So I'm just using that as my container for my Switch. So that works out pretty good. That's a good size too. So it fits in there perfect. All right, and this is what the new OLED Zelda limited edition looks like. It's white on the back, so it's real pretty. All right, and I'm just charging that at the moment. So I'll stick that over there. All right, and then my game finally came. So it looks like that. You get your little game and then the artwork. So I'm looking forward to playing that. I'm playing Animal Crossing at the moment. What are you guys playing? Anything fun? All right, and I was able to get this at Best Buy, and it has the case and screen protector, and this was $32 Canadian, which is a good buy, I think, because US, it probably would have been more. So, all right, let me go ahead and unbox this. I haven't unboxed it yet. I guess I should get, scissors are not working. Oh, maybe I'll just do it this way. Oh, there we go. All right, we're in, yippee! All right, so you get a case and you get screen protector. Nothing else is in there. All right, so you get a couple of screen protectors. One's in red and one is in blue. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then you get your Zelda case. So I highly recommend getting, you don't have to necessarily get a Zelda case, but I would get any kind of case, because if you're traveling or you want to take it with you, you definitely need a case. Because you don't want to get it like messed up. Right, and that's what the back looks like. Let's open it up and see what we got here. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh, it goes this way. Okay. Oh, okay. This is one of the better ones because see this part here I like because you can just sit it and then you can put your Switch, see, like that. You can lean it up when you're at the table. And it works out like really good. And then right here you can put your additional games that you're traveling with. So yeah, this is a nice style. And then you just pack it away basically and zip it up. And it's wipeable. So you can stick it in your backpack or your luggage or your purse or whatever. And it works out really good. So basically this part is fixed. So you use these to go around this way, like that, not all the way around. All right, and this is all padded, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So I highly recommend this. And then I will be putting the screen protector on my Switch because I always do that before I start playing. And I'm looking forward to playing Zelda. All right, so make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment because once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. You don't want to miss out, and all you have to do is subscribe. It's very simple, and it's free, so why not? All right, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, and thanks again. Bye.